Enjoy this high-end custom home on a cul-de-sac court with so many superior upgrades. Open floor plan with over 2,100 square feet. The quartz kitchen will wow you with double islands. The 4-burner LP Wolfguy range, all state-of-the-art GE appliances. Under-counter Blanco farm sink. Beadboard wood cabinets and a walk-in pantry. All cabinetry has soft, close full extension features, plus kitchen has pullouts under lower cabinets. Classy plank tile flooring throughout. Landscaping was professionally done, including a drip system for flower beds. Great room boasts tray ceilings and crown molding. All closets and the pantry have wood shelving versus those wire shelves. Dramatic master bath features a walk-through shower and 2 separate sink areas. This home is handicapped accessible. Oversized 2-car garage has 18-foot Haas garage doors, complete with a keypad. You must see this home.